Good afternoon, children. Welcome to our ILCA online class. Today we are going to see in our ILCA 5 Unit 1 Day 15. I hope you all are well. Be safe. Allah take your ILCA note, scale, pencil and eraser along with you. Okay. Today we recap the cultures of neighboring country. Okay, Unit 1 fully we recap it. Tomorrow I'll conduct the Google form test. Okay, children, so you listen carefully. Don't waste your time. Read well and complete the homeworks. Okay, children. Now we will recap the phonics. Children, now I'll say the sound. Okay, you see the word carefully and practice it well. After you write the self test. Okay, see the first one. Scab, scab. Scab, scab. Skid, skid. Smog, smog. Swim. In, skin. Skip. Smug, smug. Swag, swig. Skit, skit. Swat, swat. Scan. Scare. Scam. Small. Small. Okay, children, you practice these words well and write in your note 2 times. Say the sound and letters. Okay, you complete the words thoroughly. Read well. Next, we are going to see the whole words. Okay, children. Let's recap it again. You also join and say will. W-I-L-L. Will. Now. N-O-W. Now. No. K-N-O-W. No. Asks. A-S-K-S. Asks. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Works. W-O-R-K-S. Works. Keeps. K-E-E-P-S. Keeps. Met. M-E-T. Met. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. After. A-F-T-E-R. After. Okay, children, you read well the whole words. Next, see the grammar part. Articles, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Articles means a and the. Okay, cardinal numbers means 1, 2, 3, like the way. Ordinal means first, second, third. It shows a position. Okay, now see the first one. Complete the sentences with the correct word from the questions given. Okay, here given the passage, children, you take time, read well. After you select the correct answers. Okay, this is the activity for you. You think and complete it. Okay. Read the passage first 2 or 3 times. After select the answer. Children, you revise the Unit 1 thoroughly. Tomorrow I'll conduct the Google form test. Okay. Now I show the video. Okay, Unit 1 recap. Okay, you see the video carefully and one time you go through it.
Refreshing recap of all the things we have learned in this unit. First, we learned and practiced how to say S-blend words. These are some of the words starting with the S-blend sounds. There is the S sound. Sleep, star, spider, snail, scarf, sweet, sky, small. To read these words, we used blending. Then we used segmenting to write new spellings. Now we come to whole words. We learned some whole words here as well. Some of them were watch, hold, know, safe, other. For whole words, we do not use letter sounds. We see the words and say them. In this unit, we also learned some new concepts in grammar. We can go through and review what we practiced in our worksheets. We learned the concepts of articles and cardinal and ordinal numbers. You might not remember all of them right now, but do not worry. We shall refresh our memory again by first revising articles. An article is a word we use to tell whether a noun is being spoken of in general or specifically. When we use a or an, we mean the object in general. Like here, it is any flower or any apple. When we use the, we mean a particular or a specific object. So, how many of an object we have? So, words like 2, 4, 1 are all cardinal numbers. Examples are, there are 2 chopsticks, or I have 4 lemons. Cardinal numbers come before a noun. Another type of number we learned was ordinal numbers. They tell us where something is or the position of a noun. For example, Sejal won the second prize in the race. For this, we learned that Sejal's position was second. Ordinal numbers also come before a noun. To recap reading and listening comprehension, go through all the stories and find out what they are mostly about. Vocabulary words are present at the end of every story in the SR. Learn and practice the words from these sections. Go through the concept times in the SR. 2 concepts we learned in this unit were on the main idea of a story and also making inferences. Let's go through them quickly. The main idea of a story is what the story is mostly about. We read the story carefully or look at the pictures first, then we look for details. The second concept we learned was making an inference. This means to guess what is happening in the story by looking at the pictures. We can do this by looking at the picture and think about what is happening based on what we see. What can we infer from this picture? Aman and Amir live in Pakistan. They have a holiday today. They're wearing new clothes. And they offered their prayers to Allah. Based on what we saw and read, we can say that they're celebrating the festival of Eid. This is how we make inferences. For writing, we were able to look at a set of 3 to 4 pictures and write some sentences on what we felt the pictures were mostly about. We were also able to narrate a story based on these pictures. So that's about it, students. I hope this helped you catch up